to my channel, Jerry's Kitchen. And if you're tuning in for the first time, thanks for watching. So, I'll be making my Jamaican saltfish potato casserole, loaded with cheese, and more cheese. So let's get to it. So first of all, I preheated my oven to 100. What am I talking about? 400 degrees. So guys, for this recipe, we will need about 2 pounds of potato, which I already cooked and sliced. We're going to need about a half cup of flour, onion, tomato, garlic, green and red pepper. I have 2 cups of cheese. I have some paprika, onion powder, and black pepper. I have my codfish, which is known as saltfish in Jamaica, and I already boiled the salt out. It's really salty, so if you have high blood pressure and you're not supposed to have salt, you can boil your saltfish out. And we're going to use some mustard, ketchup, and some evaporated milk. So we're going to start by greasing your custard dish. So make sure you get enough butter in, so because you don't want the potato to stick when you bake it, and it gives it a nice flavor as well. Set this aside, and we're going to saute all these veggies along with your codfish. So now we're going to add our saltfish or codfish in. And remember, the fish is already boiled, so we don't need to cook it for too long because we're going to put it in the oven. So we want all the flavor from the seasoning and the garlic to be infused with the saltfish, so it's nice and flavorful. And then we're going to add our spices. My onion powder, black pepper, and paprika. Now we're ready to layer our potatoes, so let's start. Make sure your hands are clean. ahead with our codfish. And we're gonna add our cheese. So now we're going to sprinkle a little bit of the flour, not too much. And we're going to go ahead and layer more potatoes. So we're going to add a little more flour. And we're going to finish off with our potatoes. And we're going to add our cheese. And you don't have to be stingy with the cheese. Just add as much as you want. The more cheese, the nicer it is. Some of my cheese got melted. But it's okay. It's all going to melt anyway. And we're going to sprinkle a little bit of flour. And last, we're going to add our evaporated milk. I think I'm going to finish it. Guys, so my oven is already preheated to 350 degrees, and I'm going to put this in for about 40 minutes or until it's golden brown. So guys, this is my finished product, my saltfish potato casserole. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, Cooking with Gerald, and share my video, and feel free to leave a comment. Until next time, bye.